Hey guys, today I'm back with these St. Patrick's Day nails, and if you want to know I did these, keep watching. So I started off by painting my middle and my ring finger with this light green colour. And then with my Moyu London Festive, it's a St. Patrick's plate and a green stamping polish, I just stamped this little clover that says Happy St. Patrick's Day. And then I just applied some top coat to a sponge and dabbed that on my nail to create a sticky base and stamped on that clover. Back with the same plate and a black stamping polish, I just stamped this Leprochaun. And then I filled in his little buckle with gold. And then his little ear, skin colour. His little eyebrows, I painted orange. And then filled in the rest of his face once that had dried. And then I painted his beard with the same colour I used for his eyebrows. And then with that same stamping polish as earlier, I filled in his hat. And once that decal had dried, I'd done the same as I'd done with the other nail and just stamped it on. Then for my index and pinky fingers, I'm just using this glitter polish from Fun Lacquer. It's called Drama, and applied a thin coat over my nail as a base. And then I applied some cuticle guard around my nail to make a mess. And I applied some of that glitter polish on a sponge, letting it absorb, and then just stamping the glitters on my nail to create an opaque look. And after the first coat, if you're still not happy, then just repeat the same process of sponging on the glitter again. And then I just peeled off the cuticle guard and applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, my St. Patrick's Day nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!